Do your eyes feel tired, blurry, or cloudy? Struggling to read clearly or drive at night? You're not alone. As we age or spend hours on screens, our vision takes a hit. But what if there's a simple liquid that helps support sharper vision without eye drops, glasses, or surgery? Meet LuminEye Nano-Drop. It's not just a supplement, it's an advanced science-backed formula that promises clearer, brighter, and more comfortable vision delivered in a tiny drop under your tongue. Today, I'll break it down and tell you everything you need to know.
What is LuminEye?
LuminEye is a nano-drop eye health supplement that comes in a liquid form. Instead of taking pills or using eye drops, you just put a few drops under your tongue. It's designed to help with blurry vision, eye floaters, trouble seeing at night, dryness, and tired eyes. It contains 18 paw natural ingredients that are clinically studied and known to help eye health. Plus, it uses something called nano-absorption to make sure the nutrients work faster and go directly into your bloodstream. How does LuminEye work? Most eye supplements are taken as pills, but your digestive system breaks down much of the nutrients before they reach your eyes. LuminEye skips that step. You place the drops under your tongue. The nutrients are absorbed directly into your bloodstream, bypassing your stomach. Then they're delivered to your eyes through your blood vessels. That's what makes LuminEye faster and more effective than typical eye pills. Ingredients breakdown with simple benefits. Let's go over the key ingredients and how each one helps your vision. Zeaxanthin protects your eyes from sunlight damage and supports clarity. Gluten helps improve focus and contrast, great for computer use. Astaxanthin reduces eye fatigue and helps circulation in your eyes. Vitamin A prevents night blindness and helps fight dry eyes. Vitamin C and E, these antioxidants protect your eyes from aging and stress. Zinc helps vitamin A work better. It's important for the retina. N-acetylcysteine, NX boosts detox. Clears up cloudy vision and floaters. Omega-3 from flaxseed improves eye moisture and comfort. Blurry reduces dryness, irritation, and supports sharpness. CoQ10 gives energy to your eye cells, helps with long-term eye health. Resveratrol improves microcirculation and reduces inflammation. All of these work together to nourish your eyes, clean up old waste in your eye cells, and reduce oxidative stress, which is the biggest cause of aging vision. Benefits you can expect. Here are some benefits users report. Sharper vision for reading and using your phone. Fewer floaters or annoying cloudy spots. Easier driving at night. Less eye strain after working on screens. Better eye moisture, especially if you have dry eyes. Over time, your eyes feel more relaxed and youthful. And the best part? No side effects have been reported from thousands of customers. How to use LuminEye step by step. Shake the bottle gently. Use the dropper to place one full dropper under your tongue. Hold it for 30-60 seconds before swallowing. Do this 2 times per day, morning and night. It takes less than a minute and you don't need water or food. Very easy to add to your daily routine. Pros and cons. Pros: easy liquid format, absorbs quickly with nanotechnology, 18 proven natural ingredients, works on floaters, clarity, dryness, and night vision, vegan, gluten-free, sugar-free, no side effects reported. 90-day money-back guarantee. Cons: not sold in local stores, online only. Needs consistency, 2x daily for 3 months. Not an instant fix, it works gradually. Who should use LuminEye? People over 40 with age-related vision decline. Those who work on screens or drive at night. Anyone noticing floaters or dry, irritated eyes. People with a history of eye stress or surgery. Anyone wanting to avoid synthetic supplements or eye drops. Price and where to buy. LuminEye is only available on their official website. They offer 3 plans. 1 bottle, $67.15. Save 2. Good to test it. 3 bottles, $165. Best for 90-day transformation. Comes with extra ebooks and training. 6 bottles, $240. Best value. Free shipping. Advanced training, car bonuses. All plans come with free ebooks, video training, and a 90-day refund guarantee. My honest verdict. LuminEye is not a magic potion, but it is a smart science-based tool for improving vision naturally. If your eyes feel tired, blurry, or overworked, and you want a non-invasive natural support, this is worth trying. Just remember, it's not a one-day fix. You need to use it consistently for 60-90 days. That's when users say the real results show. With 18 paw natural ingredients, fast absorption, and no reported side effects, LuminEye earns my trust. Conclusion: If you're ready to support your eyes, reduce floaters, and bring back clarity, LuminEye might be your answer. No pills, no drops in your eyes, and no surgery. Just a few seconds a day. Click the link in the description to get yours and see the world more clearly, starting today.